Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add fonts in Figma. All right, so let's begin with the video. So right here, we have our text on a design file. As you can see, it's one of the pre-installed fonts from Figma. But let's say we want to download and install a custom font and add it to our Figma project so that we can use it throughout Figma. In order to do that, you're going to need to locate the font you want to install from the web. You can use any site or platform that offers fonts. Basically, you want to find the font that you want to download and install for Figma. Look for the download button. This is going to install your font, and typically it will download as a zip file. Whether you're on Windows or Mac, the process is going to be pretty similar. Locate the zip file that you just downloaded and extract the files from the zip folder. On Windows, you need to right-click and then click on Extract All. Now go ahead and double-click that file. You should see something similar to this. All you have to do is click on Install, and now that font should be installed on your Windows or Mac computer. Once the font is installed, we need to go back to Figma, completely close out of it, and then reopen it. This allows Figma to detect the new font that we just installed. Just make sure you completely close out of Figma and then reopen it. If we remember, the font name is called Napoli, which we just downloaded. I'm going to go ahead and select my text, then search for the name of that font, which is Napoli. And now we can see that it actually shows up in our Figma search. If we go ahead and select it, we can now use this font throughout our entire Figma project, as well as in any other Figma project that we want to create. So that's basically how you can add fonts in Figma. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.